Ready?
Yeah.
That's it. She's so heavy. This is Shayne and Captain Crybaby. She's Big Betty. I'm Paula, and I'm always chasing Shayne. We're going on a work staycation. Takes us to some pretty cool places. We're never in one place long, but we always have a good time. We're taking the alternate route to work. You never know where we'll be, so come along.
That will work. Ain't no big ride, this thing. Man, going down, they go down the hill.
After a long day of traveling, we're gonna run over and catch up with some friends from Georgia and get settled in for our next 2-month stay here in Vicksburg. We have lots of places to show you around the area. Here's a little preview of what you'll see in our next video. See you soon. Now, there's the church with the gold finger. Why are you running? Did a ghost get after you? I'm not so sure about going in here.
I don't think that one survived it, did it?